Hello and welcome to this video review for Thursday the 2nd of March 2017. I didn't do a video yesterday and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep up these daily videos because it doesn't make sense if I don't know exactly what I'm doing. But I just thought I'd give you an update. Currently the combine is somewhere around, I'm at 29,928. After having been at an account high of 30,150 or thereabouts. So I've basically gone nowhere. Currently down $31.94 realized with two open trades, which are about break even. I'll just show you over here. There you go. So loads of trades on crude, which I'll talk about in a second. But basically I'm in a bit of a dilemma. And this is the dilemma. I achieved these sorts of, well, you can't see the results here, but I kept months of statistics. You know, I've got the spreadsheets, everything, trade checklist, and I did 5 months of consistent large return for your risk trades, 3 hour or greater risk to reward, or reward to risk, however you look at it. And I managed to achieve 100%. So I have to backtrack and look at what went wrong, because I was able to pass a combine. You know, if you see here, here's a little video of my combine passing trade. Maybe I'll just play this for you now. Don't know if you can hear the volume. But this is me recording the very last trade that I took, and this was a combine I started, as you can see, in May 30th of last year, and this was like August, so it took a good while. It took June, July, and then mid-August. Took 2.5 months with this strategy. You can see me dancing around there, and you know, I knew this was going to be the last trade. And if we go to, don't know if you can hear this music. If I go forwards here, you'll see me trail the stop when I realized that had passed, and I bring across the little rhythmic trader here. Let me get it again. There, you can see it there. I'd passed 31,500 odd. So let's get rid of that. Yeah, so all that evidence, all those positive results, that feeling of knowing exactly what I'm doing, exactly what I'm looking for, has all gone out the window. Now I'm dancing around momentum reversal, Austin stuff from coiled markets, and I'm a real mess. So I need to fix that. And I know why I've done that. It's simply because I'm still thinking in terms of the old combine and funded trader rules, whereby you have the 10 days. My method's no good if people, a funded account or a backer or whatever the case may be, if I have to achieve a result within 10 days, that's no good for my system. But if I want to take repeated risk within the framework of this system, I will make money over time. The results that I got last year indicate $600 per contract per month, and that is getting in and out of 3 instruments at a time, rolling throughout the day, putting a contract on, taking it off if it hits the stop or the target, putting another one on in another instrument, and dancing back and forth on my way to a $300 target per day, which I hit when I was nice and free and just sort of playing the strategy. I managed to hit that $300 a day a week, sometimes 2 days a week, and then the other days would kind of scratch out or lose a bit or whatever the case may be, and then you'd end up with 900 in a month, and then some months 500, 600. I had a break-even month or two. That's why the average was $600. But I had no losing months, like 2 break-even months, and then 4 months ranging from $500 to $900. And that's nice and smooth, and it feels good. It feels like I'm in control. So I'm thinking the only thing that took me away from that, as I said, was the 10-day rule and the time required to achieve that result. I got greedy and I want, or fearful, and I want to achieve a result today, or pass a combine in 10 days and pass funded trader prep in 10 days. And that's just not realistic with what I'm able to do. So I'm just gonna forget about passing anytime soon and get back to the trading I did before to get me that result, knowing that if or when I get back to the funded account, I won't have any pressure to perform in 10 days and push myself and then risk blowing up the way I did last time. So that's all I've got for you today. I'm not going to bother with the result because it's neither here nor there. We'll keep tabs on the result over time, not necessarily every day, but I'll probably will pop in every day and I'll just throw the video out there. Any suggestions, if you have any suggestions of what you think I should do? I know Dave Knight talks about specializing in one market, and that worked for me for a while, but the only time I've ever managed to do 6 months of consistent results has been with this simple, straightforward strategy that just requires you to keep putting on the same trade over and over again and let the market do the heavy lifting over time. So that's my plan. That's what I'm going to do, and we'll see how that goes over the long term. So a week is not going to say much at all, and a day isn't even worth considering, as long as I don't go too deep in the hole. So a daily loss should really be kept to $300, or the $200 to $300 is a typical losing day, or that's what a typical losing day was, and then aiming for the $300 up for the winning day. So that's it for now, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.